what is it?
Duck.
Hey, Brookie. Diaper change is all done. What are you?
Clean.
All clean. What?
Clean.
All clean. That's good.
Sing Brookie's song. There you go. Good girl. Hello.
That's pretty. Can you sing some more? Can you sing Twinkle, Twinkle?
Twinkle, twinkle, the world so high, like a brookie in the sky.
Brookie, when you play checkers, are you Mickey or Donald?
I'm Mickey. I'm Mickey. Okay. Brookie, and remember, I'm blue. I love yellow.
I love yellow. Brookie, what are you having for lunch? What is it?
Can you say Roni?
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 What you having for lunch? More? You have more,
Do
sweetie.
the Roni.
You gonna do the Roni dance?
Do the Roni. Do the Roni. More.
Oh, there. And your blankie. Okay, go night-night. Oh, so tired. Okay, lay down. Snuggle blankie. Oh, say night-night. Night-night. We'll turn on Rainforest. There. Okay. Night-night, baby. I love you. I love you. I love you. Night-night, baby.
Apple.
Apple? It's a banana.
What's that?
Banana.
Banana.
Brooke, what does the cat say?
Yeah. Pig.
That's a pig on your fork. What does a pig say? No. What's that? Is that Cookie? Oi. Where's Cookie? Where is he? Show me Cookie. Cookie! You give him love?
We're stuck on his eyeball.
Oh, give him big love. Can you do the cookie dance? Oh, a little shimmy for Cookie. Brookie, who's that?
Beauty.
Dorothy. Cup? You take a drink? Is it good? You can do the Brookie dance? Can you do the Brookie dance? Stuck. Is that a shoe? What does the car say, Brooke? What does the car say? Vroom. All done.